We've got Twice, Twice. This is cool. I love this. Hi, I'm Pierre. Welcome to Neon Reactions. So, today the Twice train is back, and we are going to watch Heartshaker. Heartshaker is such a fun song. It is joyful, it is happy, and it is Twice. It is Twice in perfection. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting lots of colors, lots of funny, goofy moments, and just the mixture that we love from Twice, right? I hope. I don't have to hope. I know we're going to get exactly that. So let's dive right in. Before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. And if you have anything to tell me, you know, comment section is the place to go. But now let's just watch the girls. Oh, and yes. And it doesn't take 2 seconds for this video to make me happy. Whenever I see Chaeyoung, I am happy. And her, oh, and Dayoung. Oh God. Beautiful. Denim and white tops. Popping colors. I love the guitars. Nice. Shaker, shaker. This is cute. Look at those outfits. Look at this crop top with the orange and blue stripes Nayeon is wearing. I love it. Good Lord, I said I wanted popping colors, and what do I get? Popping colors. This is all I need right now. This is beautiful. Twice always make you happy whenever you listen to them. They are like a happy virus that infects you as soon as you listen to it. It's amazing. These girls are just so amazing. And the video transitions are cool. They always go through that window in the door to the next scene. This is really cool. And I like this train wagon, or what it's supposed to be. It looks like a train wagon. It's nice. Oh, God. I love this. Yep. Beautiful choreo. Perfectly in sync. Oh, that was a cool Did you see that transition? That was actually cool. Going down with the camera and coming up and they're all wearing something else. That was a nice cut. Nice. Okay. Mina is beautiful there. We've got two versions. We've got Twice, Twice. This is cool. I love this. This looks great. I did not know they would do that. That is cool. We've got all the members twice. This is great. Such cool outfits. It's always amazing. Oh, look at that. It is always so amazing how they make you just smile and happy. I don't know, they've got something about them. From the first time I heard them so many years back, and as you know, I only listened to them. I never really knew their faces. I never knew their videos, nothing. I was just listening to them. But they filled me with so much joy while I was mostly painting or doing things. They have just made such a great positive change for me. I love this so much. They are really amazing. I love those girls. And now that I can even, or not can, now that I'm actually watching their videos and even seeing all of that joy, that just makes me, I could, you know, like never quit smiling when I watch them. I love that. This was perfect. This was just perfect. I cannot praise them anymore. Or I can't stop praising them. That's the right thing to say. They're always great. Folks, thank you for sticking around. Twice Train is coming back soon. I have not forgotten you guys. I have not forgotten the girls. Definitely not. You guys take care, stay safe, and as I always say, Sarange, Annyeong, and shake your heart a bit, okay?